Communication and technology. Laptop, computer. She takes her laptop to school every day to help her with schoolwork.
Mobile phone. I forgot my mobile phone at home, so I couldn't call my parents after school.
Mouse. I use a mouse to click on the screen.
MP3 player. She listens to music on her MP3 player.
Net. I use the net to look for information and watch videos after school.
Online. Do you usually buy clothes online or in shops?
Password. I forgot my password and can't log in.
PC. My dad works on his PC every day.
Photograph. He likes to take photographs of sunsets.
Photography. Sarah loves photography and takes many pictures.
Post something online. How often do you post photos online? Printer. The printer is out of paper, so we can't print our homework right now.
Screen. Does your new tablet have a big screen?
Talk. We talk every night before going to bed.
Text. I got a text from my friend this morning.
Text. Please text me when you get home.
Upload. She uploaded many photos online last night. Did you see them?
Video. We watched a video about animals today.
Web. I searched on the web last night and found the answers to my homework.
Web page. This web page has many pictures.
Website. My teacher showed us a website where we can read stories and learn new words.